Long ago it was, there was a friar and his boy journeying one day, and they came into the house in the woods of the Cailleach of Beara. "God save you," said the friar. "Well, the same man save yourself," said the Cailleach. "You're welcome. Sit down at the fire," she said, "and warm yourself." The friar sat down, and when he had well finished warming himself, he began to talk and discourse with the old woman. "If it's no harm of me to ask it of you, I'd like to know your age, because I know you are very old," said the friar. "'Tis no harm at all to ask me," said the Cailleach. "I'll answer you as well as I can. There is never a year since I came to age that I used not to kill a beef and throw the bones of the beef up on the loft, which is above your head. If you wish to know my age, you can send your boy up on the loft and count the bones." True was the tale. The friar sent the boy up on the loft, and the boy began counting the bones.